Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, and giveaways. Today we have our Ipsy Extra for the month of June, and we're giving away one of the items to one of you. I do want to welcome anybody who's new here. Thank you so much for checking us out. For all my return subscribers, you know I love spoiling you guys. Every month I try and do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of June, it is the Morphe Skyfall palette. It is such a pretty palette. Look in the description box down below under current giveaways. Talks about how to enter this one. Giveaways are really easy. Be subscribed to the channel. Watch the videos in their entirety. Somewhere in today's video is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know for today's giveaway. So if you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun, laid-back group here. If you can do me a favor, hit that bell button, mark it to all. And if you are watching on a mobile device, go into your settings. I want you guys to know when I upload. Definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways, because I do them a lot here on the channel. So as far as what is on my eyes today, I'm absolutely loving this. This is the Adriana Nicole Cosmetics I Am Everything All Shimmers Edition palette. It's so pretty. I'm a shimmer girl. Love it. So what Ipsy says about this month's box is playful statement making it impossible to ignore. The Ipsy Extra bag is back. Woo! Reimagined with bold lip prints that celebrate confidence and self-expression, lightweight and versatile. It's designed to keep up with your day while bringing energy wherever you go. So here is what she looks like, and all the products are inside. So there is a 3-piece brush set from Lucky Chick. It retails for $22, is 4.5 stars. Level up your vanity with a curated set of these ultra soft eye brushes, including a large shader brush, a medium angled shader brush, and a tapered blending brush. Each is made with cruelty-free synthetic bristles designed to blend, define, and enhance any eye look with ease. It's female-founded, vegan, and cruelty-free. So from Pinky Bee Cosmetics is a hot commodity bronzer palette. Retails for $29, is 4.1 stars. The Luxe 4-pan bronzer palette is a hot commodity. It features radiant golden browns, a rich caramel browns, luminous honey-kissed browns, and a deep sultry cocoa browns. To build a customized glow for your complexion, plus it's formulated with vitamin E and camellia essentials, leaf extract for added skin-loving benefits. The packaging kind of looks like this. Oh, you've got to be fucking kidding me. And she looks like this on the inside. Really pretty. From Glow Recipes, the Watermelon Glow Dew Shield SPF 30. It is $35 and 4.1 stars. Get your daily dose of glow with a daily sunscreen that features the best of Korean skincare with broad spectrum PA+++ UV protection and a skin nourishing formula clinically proven to boost moisture. It blends seamlessly over your skin with no white cast, greasiness, or peeling. The Radial Vitamin C Drops retails for $95, is 4.4 stars. Ready to leave your skin feeling conditioned and refreshed, the lightweight serum contains a vitamin C complex that helps boost radiance and luminosity for a more even-looking skin tone, plus Baboso, which is rich in antioxidants, and vitamin B5, which is known to nourish, condition, and hydrate. From Moon Slice Beauty is their Celestial Crush palette. Retails for $35, is 20.9 grams and is 3.9 stars. Looks like this. Super pretty. Step in a world of high-impact pigment with a magical 15PN mixture of buttery eyeshadows and intense pressed pigments. This palette is a total holy grail for lovers of dreamy pinks and high-voltage shimmers, offering a major color payoff that lasts. The versatile range allows you to go from a soft ethereal gold to a bold celestial statement with ease. And guess what I did, guys? I picked up a second one so that we can do this as a monthly eyeshadow palette giveaway in the future. So what was your guys' favorite thing? You know I'm a sucker for eyeshadow, so I think that was my favorite. What was yours? Let me know in the comments down below. So how are you guys doing? Let me know in the comments down below. I've been doing pretty good. My extended family kind of went on a trip over to Spain and France, and I had them pick me up something over in Spain. And he knows about this. I've been working on this project for a while. So there's a thing in my family where the guys have this signet ring with their initials, kind of a gold ring with their initials. And I've been wanting to get one for my son. And next year, he'll be graduating with his Doctor of Physical Therapy degree. So I thought, what a perfect gift to do that. And we had a family jeweler over there. And so I was talking to him, and he said, unfortunately, that he was retiring, couldn't do it. Recommended somebody else that was also in the Basque region of Spain, another Basque jeweler there. So I was able to get in contact with him, and thank goodness for Google Translate and ChatGPT, because they helped me with the translation into Spanish, and we were able to communicate back and forth, and I was able to pick up this ring that means so much to me and have it designed and made over there, which is a special place for my family, for my son. And the help of my mom and my aunt and I, we all kind of went in to help pay for it because it's kind of expensive. But I know he'll love it. So, and he already knows about it. He already knows this was in the works, and I've been trying to do this for a very long time for him. And so here's a picture of what it looks like. Secret word of the day is ring, R-I-N-G. So in the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once. And make sure to put on it your YouTube name so I can verify, yes, you are subscribed to the channel. And also make sure to put on it that secret word. Now, you only fill out the form once, but you can't get bonus entries. How the bonus entries work is, like I said, you fill out the form once, but you can mark on it if you did do the bonus entry items. Only mark on it if you actually did, because I do check, and I don't want to see you guys get disqualified. So your first way is if you follow me on Instagram. That handle is BeautyAmaB, A-M-A, followed by the letter B. Your second way is if you share this video. It really helps out the channel when you do, and I wanted a way to reward you guys and to say thank you so much for doing so. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day, and you must be 18 years old or older or have your parents' permission to enter. The giveaway is open internationally. I am then not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you, and make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. So let's have the giveaway go through July 10th, midnight Mountain Standard Time, and then after that, if everybody's done what they're supposed to be doing, I'll take from the entries, the first name, first initial, the last name, put those in the computer. The computer spins all the names around, the computer picks. I don't, so don't ask to win. As soon as the giveaway is over, I do go ahead and delete all those forms. Your privacy is very important to me. I don't sell out your information. I don't create distribution lists. I don't do anything like that. It just really helps out mail the prizes to the winners. So if you like the video, give it a big like. It really helps out the channel when you do. YouTube will now go ahead and insert another video for you. Did I even say what we're giving away? How about to do those brushes? I am all over the place today. I have had a day. I've had a day. I've had a day. And it's when stuff goes downhill, that's how my day's been. Let's give away one of these brushes, this brush set, to one of you guys. YouTube will now go ahead and insert another video for you if you have the time. I'd greatly appreciate you checking it out. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe, take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye. Woo!